Hello everyone. Well, today I am entering into Dark Arts Challenge 1000 subscriber giveaway. And first of all, I want to congratulate you, Dark Arts. That is so awesome. That's quite the accomplishment. So today I'm going to be opening this 94 millimeter doorstop. And I think you'll see why I call it a doorstop in a few minutes, but it is a dimple lock, and here's the key right here, the bidding on the key. Well, you can see that, and the light's not shining too hard. Pretty heavy lock, and that's how it opens, of course. And we're going to lock it back up. Now the object of his challenge is to pick open a lock without using ordinary picks and tensioners, using a makeshift type of tools. So what I'm going to use today is going to be get this in here. It's quite large. I am going to use clippers, nail clippers, and a nail file. And this is what I carry in my purse. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to stick this file in there. I'm going to try to get all the way to the back. Then I'm going to use the clippers as a tensioner, and I'm going to wiggle this up and down, and there it's open. Now you know why I call it a doorstop. It probably hurt your toe on it, right? Okay, let's do it one more time just so you can see. It is locked up. Shove it all the way to the back. Stick this right here and just kind of wiggle up and down. And there you go. Pathetic, huh? Well, thank you for joining me today, and I hope you come back real soon. Bye-bye.